Allowed, sir.
Okay. Sorry and good evening, students. We will continue with this GST chapter. In activity based or MCQ based, they will ask table form. So first, it is a B of food junction. These are the name of the things of the food: coffee, tea, dosa. How many coffee? Two coffee. Tea how many? Three. Dosa how much? Two. What is the rate, individual rate for coffee? 20 rupees per coffee. Tea per tea 10 rupees. Dosa per dosa 50 rupees. And these are the GST. We have to fill this. This much part is for rough work. So 20 rupees two coffee. So 40. And three coffee 10 rupees. 30. 50 rupees two dosa. So that is 100 rupees. GST 2.5. So 40 into 2.5 100 this point one more zero. 25 4 100.
The body, sir.
What? रवि हमें काउंटर बच्चा आवाज जरा ट्राई कर 30 into 2.5 by 1000 so point remove so this cancel this is given by 4 so 3 divided by 4 half of half means 0.75 of 100 2.5 divided by 100 so 2.5 so how much is the total GST 5 12 1 4 okay how much is the total cost correct now GST CST are of half so close करो ऊपर से 1 rupees 50 paise 75 so 0 point you can say 37
Our board is not clear.
board
Yes. Blur. Blur is blur. Sir, blur.
okay wait
Might be a network issue.
Sir, your board is clear. It's the network issue.
okay
Sir,
हाँ
sir, please
yes
explain again.
yes these are the name of things are given. These are the quantity in how much quantity they have purchased. 20 rupees, two coffee, 20 to the 40 rupees. 10 rupees, three tea, 3 into 10, 30. 50 rupees, two dosa, 100 rupees. Of this 25% means 40 into 2.5 divided by 100 is equal to 1 rupee. 30 rupees 2.5% is equal to 0.75 means 75 paise. 100 rupees 2.5% that is 2.2 rupees 50 paise. So total GST is this much. Total cost is this much. Now we have to bifurcate this. This is equal to this plus this. Exactly half hour. So 4.25, what you can do? 2.125. 2.125. But actually it is 2.13. Third digit of the paisa we are not considering. So total cost of GST is 4.25. That is half hour. Correct. Now here percentage no need to add. So customer, how much he will pay? Cost plus total GST means 170 4.25. So this much is the total bill. This is cost, original cost plus GST as per this person. Exactly same. Now, what is input tax, output tax, that also we can revise by this time. So, manufacturer to the wholesaler, wholesaler to the retailer, 3% are there. This is business to business, business to business. Then it goes to the customer, that business to customer. B2B, B2B, B2B. Then at the end, always last chain will be B2C, business to customer. Now, 4,000% out of 4,000, 12%. 1, 2, 3, 12. Divided by 100. So it is 480. So it is 480. So now this is equal to half hour. So it is 240, 240. Now 4800. हाँ 480 into 12, 4800, sorry. 12 divided by 100. This cancel, this cancel. 12 is the 96 of 6, 90. 12 for the 48. So it is 576. Half. Two weighted is the half. Correct. Now this 5200 and 12% by 100. 12 to the 24. 60. So 624. Half. 312. 312. Again I am explaining. These are the name given. These are the taxable value given, means you can say cost price. I have written cost price. GST percentage are given. 12% of 4,000 is equal to 480. 12% of 4,800 is 576. 12% of 5,200, that is 624. GST, CST, both are equal, but half of the GST. So 480 half, 240, 240. 576 half, 288, 288. 624 exactly half. 312, 312. Now total. This is 0. First we make this 0, 8, 1. So it should be 1600, no, 1600. So 840. 840. Like 0, 1, 4, 1. Correct. So these are in rupees, these are in percentage, these are in how many rupees. Now, wholesaler will, manufacturer will pay this much. Now for the next wholesaler, his GST is this much, but already this much is paid. So 576 minus 480. So this person will pay 96 rupees only. Because that much difference for this person manufacturer, this is a output tax. For next, for this person, this is input tax, this is output tax. So the difference. So this person will pay this much fully. Now this much person will pay difference. Now this and this total this much is already paid. Now next, retailer will not pay 624. Out of 624, already 576 is paid. So 624 minus 576. This much is the difference, 48. For this one, this person, this is input, this is output. So output minus input. For this person, this is input, this is input, this is output. So output minus input, that is the difference. So every time the cost goes on increasing, tax also goes on increasing, but the second person will give a difference of the GST because already it is paid. We are finding full on GST on this, but how much already paid that we have to reduce. Now this is the sixth question. Pretty let's you ask. Mobile battery quantity they are not given, so you have to consider one. Headphone quantity is not given, consider one. GST on both the item are different. So 12% of 200. Percent is what? Out of 100. So on 180, 12 rupees. So on 200, 24 rupees. Simple. No need to do the calculation. Half of 12 rupees, 12 rupees. Now 18% of 750. This cancel. Make it double. Half. Niza 135. So this is 135. Exactly half. 130 of 65. So this is 67.50. This is in rupees, this is in rupees, this is in rupees, percentage, this is also in rupees. So this you can make the total. This you can't make the total percentage, no name. GST total 951. Exactly half of. but the customer will pay this plus this, means 950 plus 159. So 909. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. So at the end, customer will pay 1,109 rupees. Again, I want to explain this. Two separate things, two separate GST, two different costs, quantity not mentioned, so you have to consider it as a single. So this into 12%, and this into this divide by 100, so got this into this divide by 100, you got. Now that is half up. So exactly GST half up. So we at the end, how much bill we have to pay? So total cost, total GST. So total cost plus GST, that is the bill amount. That is this. And one more song that is exactly like this that I mentioned, because we are doing part one. On page number of 111, there is exactly like this, but one name is added. Retailer, consumer, 5,000, 6,000,
Sir, 10 minutes more.
5,000, 6,000, 6,000, 400. Customer, we have to find out, and everywhere we have to pay 12%. This also we have to find. First, the person statement is payable under this wholesale distributor retail at the time of the at the end of the amount paid by the consumer. Okay. So 12% of this 5,000, 1,200, 12 as a 60, 600. 12 6 is 72, 6500 into 12 divided by 100. This is cancelled. Double this, half this, double this, half this. Now 26 these are you know, 26, 25 these are you know, 25 is a 75 plus 3, 78, 780. Now this will be 300, 300. This is 360, 360. This is 800 less 20, 400 less 10. For customer,